Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and I'm going to show you what I got in Tesco and Aldi because I wasn't planning on filming a grocery haul, but I ended up getting more than I thought I was going to get. So here we are, and it cost me like €80, so okay, so I'm going to start off with, it's not just Aldi, there's like a few things in one, but I've kind of forgot what I actually bought, so this is going to be a fun game of seeing what I got. I got these jammy rings. They're gluten-free and vegan. They're accidentally vegan. They're not like labeled as vegan. They're from Aldi and I love them. And of course they're already opened and half eaten because we've already established that I have no self-control. Okay, right. I also got some strawberries because, you know, I'm so healthy and so fit and just living my best life. And you know, it's summer, so you need to have like the fruit. I actually do, not all jokes aside, I actually do love strawberries, like, you know, for breakfast, for a snack throughout the day. I just love strawberries. I think they're my favorite fruit. Strawberries, blueberries, and I like bananas as well. I also like watermelon. Yeah, I like them. Oh, I also got some Alpro vanilla yogurt. This is like one of my favorite yogurts. It's just so like, it goes so fast. Like I could literally sit and eat this whole thing without even like blinking an eye or second guessing it. Like it's easy to eat and I love it. I got myself some peanut butter. If you don't know me, I love peanut butter. I literally I'd probably eat this tub in about 4 days. Not even like lying or exaggerating. I just love peanut butter. It's just, I don't know, I think it's like a comfort for me. I don't know why. Oh, I got some batteries. Ooh, delicious. Yeah, batteries exciting. Oh yes, I got some maple syrup because I love maple syrup, and because I used to have like honey a lot, and like honey's from bees, so I can't in fact, I'm not supposed to eat honey if I'm vegan, so I got myself maple syrup. And I love like the little container this comes in. It has like a little handle, and like this go, and it's done. This is so like nice, and it's really tasty. And this is from Aldi. I also got myself a packet of wraps because I love wraps. Wraps are so easy. You can literally do so much with them. Yeah, and these are my favorite ones, I think. Okay. Oh, this is a more exciting bag. I got some almond latte. These are delicious. These are in Tesco. If you've ever been to Tesco. Literally so easy to make. They're so delicious. Now, they don't look like the image on the front. That's a lie. That's false advertising. And honestly, it's kind of triggering because it just looks like a normal coffee with milk in it when it's made. There's no froth or anything, like it's, yeah. But they're delicious. Oh, and then the pièce de la résistance is that how you pronounce that?
Pièce de résistance.
Yeah. Vegan chocolate cake. Now there's two of these. These are never available when I go into Tesco, like never. So of course, when I seen one available, I had to get it. Like, otherwise it would just be a sin. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to eat this in a few days because it's going off in a few days. So, oh well, I guess I'll be having that for dinner. Did you hear the glass clinking together? I got some wicked Sriracha sauce. If you see my last vegan food haul, you've seen I picked this up for the first time. That food haul, and it's obviously delicious because I'm going back for another container of it. Oh, this is the gold medal for me. Oh, gold medal. This is Barefoot Pinot Grillo. This is my favorite wine, if you're wondering. This is my go-to. Barefoot is my favorite one. I just love it. It just has, oh God, it just tastes so good. Yeah, it's weird that like different wine brands taste different, if you know what I mean. I'm supposed to not, but like, you know, like there's so many different varieties of Pinot, but like it's the Barefoot one that just gets me going. I love it the most. And did I get one bottle? No, I got 2 bottles. And also I got a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc for Mum because that's her drink of preference. I've never had Yellowtail before, but it was on offer, so pick that up. Oh yes, I got some vegetarian sausages from Kelly's. Oh my God. This is like from Newport. This is like just up the road. But yeah, Kelly's sausages, vegetarian sausages. These are delicious. I've had them before. I'm not gonna lie. They sell them out in my more local grocery shop. These are delicious. They taste like nicer than normal sausages. They have a lot more like flavor. And like even if I was a meat eater, I'd probably still go for these because they taste so much better. Now they are a bit more expensive, but like also you're paying for like the fact that it's not a dead animal, you know. What? I don't remember putting these into my bag. What? I don't remember getting these. Unless they fell into my thing when I was at the till. I don't know, anyway, I got more batteries. Okay, and then I got these Spinach Bites. I love Spinach Bites, like love Spinach Bites. They're just delicious. They're just an easy thing to throw on in the oven when you're hungry or feeling peckish. I got some Nescafe Azera Espresso coffee because, hello, it's amazing. It's my favorite one. And oh, I also got this Belgian chocolate biscuit bar. Biscuit bar. It's delicious. It's like a rocky road and it's vegan. It's from the Foods of Attenry company. It's, oh my God, these are actually delicious. So yeah guys, that's everything I got in Tesco and Aldi. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comments. Have you tried any of this food? If you have, let me know. And before you go, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and whilst we're in quarantine, I'll be uploading extra videos every single week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.